Today we have a 2014 Toyota Camry. We'll be replacing the tensioner as well as the drive belt. So first thing we're going to do in order to replace the tensioner is using a 14mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench you can use. You're going to place it on top right here on the tensioner and pull back to release tension on the belt and remove the belt. Now that we've removed the belt, we're going to use a number 12 socket to remove this bolt here, which will release the tensioner. Once you've loosened the bolt, you can just twist it out and the tensioner will come out right with it. Keep in mind at this point here, sorry, let me get it focused, this point here will fit inside that hole. Just an FYI when reinstalling. Alright, there you are, just pull it out. And let's get the new one in. So now with the new one in, as you can see, I'll have the bolt placed right there, slide it into that hole, and just thread the bolt in, and then we will tighten it down. So as you can see, I have my new drive belt set in place, ready to install. Went ahead and put the bottom two together. As you can see right there, the belt kind of goes under it, back around on top, around this pulley, our tensioner. And then, as you can see on this side, it kind of just wraps around the AC compressor up to the alternator. So this side is already correct in place. This side, this part of the cable will need to go around the idle pulley. So this portion will be in here. So in order to do that, we're gonna have to use our 14mm socket and ratchet and pull back the tensioner again to release the tension. And then we're gonna slip our belt over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll give you the final. All right, as you can see, we have our drive belt installed now. Loops around the bottom two and then just kind of meets in the middle and connects to the alternator here. I guess you could, I know some people will just try to wrap it around the alternator, just kind of run it through here and then release the tension. However, for me, it's a little more difficult because of the lip on here. So I like to use anything like a surface that's flat, like on the tensioner or this idle pulley, and just kind of slide it through. You can try to slide it around the tensioner, but it'll be a little difficult due to the fact that these two bolts kind of obstruct the sliding motion. But anyways, however method you get it in, it'll work out. It's a pretty simple drive belt, really small, so just kind of work the area you can. But everything's done now, so thanks for watching.